Down and watch if you don't mind. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. So here is Megabus broken down outside Victoria Coach Station on Wednesday the 4th of February 2014. I understand from the driver of the recovery lorry that it has a gearbox that is playing up. It may have got itself to the journey that it wants to do, but it's not that reliable, so no chances of being taken. It is being towed to Park Royal depot, which will take about an hour. Must be some feet towing one of those. They're big enough to drive at the best of times, and you have that being towed. Well, the registration number of the recovery truck is of interest. SR08 tow. He said he bought it new, and you can choose your number plate within reason, and so they chose SR, which I was told stands for Stagecoach Recovery, but the company is called Statham Recovery, so it's probably Statham's Recovery. The year was 08, and of course it's TOW, because it's a tow truck. Anyway, we shall wait a few minutes and see it towed away. The fleet number is 50240 CN61 FBB. I understand the bus and the tow truck is ready for departure. We'll see it depart. I understand it isn't the coach that I was going to go on at 1 AM. Apparently they have plenty of these, and there will be another one around at 1 AM. Away it goes. It's going to be fun in a minute getting around this corner. So it's manoeuvring around this left-hand right-angle corner. There he goes. Very tight to get around there. Oh goodness me. Well, he's got round without demolishing the traffic lights, and away we go.